Hello, welcome to the Picture of Relativity video series. The aim of this series is for you to understand Einstein's theory of relativity. Now, the theory of relativity is one of physics' main pillars, and although there are many explanations out there, it is my impression that people do not feel they really get it, even when they understand how the theory works and its consequences, which is the focus of most explanations. I do want to point out the YouTube channel Eigenchris, which is excellent in my opinion, and I'll have a link for it in the video description. It covers relativity from start to end and uses nice visual and word-based teaching. However, it also uses a lot of math, and using mathematics has its disadvantages. The first one is that the logic, the why if you want, is in the mathematical structure, so it's a bit hidden out of sight. The second is that it's easy to get lost. So many times we forget where we started from, what every symbol means, and where we're going to. That's mainly because most of us are not fluent in the language of mathematics. Accordingly, this video series will use visual and word-based presentation. This will give us the why by logical word arguments, which is a good thing. The logic will be in plain sight. We will also have no need to learn the language of mathematics, which is a good thing because it will save us a lot of time. However, some details are lost, so we only get the general idea of things. And depending how you look at it, it could be a good thing because it allows us to have a complete picture in our mind. But it can also be a bad thing. For example, it is easier to err in the outcome of a specific situation of interest. So when we look at a specific system and try to figure out what will happen with it, it is better to follow the mathematics. And this is mainly because Einstein's theory of relativity is not very intuitive. In this video series, I will use the following roadmap. First, we'll describe a reality, then describe how the presented reality is experienced, and finally show how the experience of the presented reality leads us to Einstein's theory of relativity. Now, these first two subjects are rarely discussed, but as you can gather, I believe that discussing them, and especially building upon them in order to explain Einstein's theory of relativity, will give us a better understanding and will crystallize what relativity is all about. Okay, so I hope you join me, and let's start this wonderful journey.